Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku of this additional newspaper. During the Corona crisis, there are a lot of puzzles printed in the additional paper of this newspaper. Yes, so we will continue with the second Sudoku, Two Stars Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here one in this column, a one in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the one should be here or there. But I see here one, no one there, one should be here. Then one. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 6 should be here. Yes. Then do something with the 3. Yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in those two boxes. We have a 3 here up, so in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. One box remain for the 3, should be this one, the 3. Yes. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so in the row between, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then 5 and in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. One box remains for the 9, should be this one. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the first column, so in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between, the only two places for the 4 should be here and there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then, then 5, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place for the 1, that is this one. Yes. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here also a 1, so no 1 in this box. These two boxes left in the last row. So in the last row we have a 1 in one of those two boxes. In the row above we have a 1 over there. So in this row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in the second row. The numbers are 5, 6 and 9. 5, 6 and 9. I see here 5 and the 9. So no 5 and a 9. In this box, 1 digit left. For this box should be the 6, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Remember that I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. So we have a 5 in the third row, a 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But we see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 1, 7 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 9, should be here. 1 and 7 are left. 1 and 7 for this big square. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in the third row for the numbers 7 and 5. No, we have a 5 there. 7 and the 6. 7 and the 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. The 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in the first row for the number 2. Those 2 numbers were the 9 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then can I fill? No, I cannot fill this. Let me see. The 4 I cannot use. The 3 I cannot use. Yes. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2. In these 3 boxes, there also a 2, no 2. In these 2 boxes, so the 2 could be here or could be there in the middle row. So in the middle row, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row below, we have a 2 over there. So in this row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. Or this one. Here, here, or there for the 6. But I see here 6, so no 6 there. Here also a 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 must be here. Seven, 9, and 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 7. Then these 3 numbers, let me see, are the numbers 2, 8, and 3. 2, 8, and 3. The 3. No, the 3 I cannot fill this yet. The 2 also. I need to wait. The 7. 7. The 5 should be here. 2. 9 and a 5. 5, 9, and 4. 5, 9, and a 4. Am I stuck? I don't know. 4. The 7 and the 9. Yes, these 3 numbers in the last column. The missing numbers are 4, 7, and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. The only box remaining for the 9 should be here. 7 and the 4 are missing. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 4, 3, the 4, 4, 4. 4, the 4, the 9. Can I do something with the 9? Yes, the 9 in this column, 9. In that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 is here and there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7, 9 and 5, 7, 9. Yes. In this first column, 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 8, 5, and no, we have an 8. 5, 4, 5, and 9. 4, 5, and 9 are missing in the first column. 4, 5, and 9. I see here a 9, so no 9 there. Here also a 9, so no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be here. 4 and 5 are missing. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 8, that means the 9 and the 5. Yes. In the second row, first, the big square. The 2 missing numbers are the numbers 7 and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need more information. 7 and 8. These 2 numbers left are the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. These 7 and 8, 9 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 9. Then 7, 8, 7, 8. 7 and 8, 7 and 8, and the 3. Yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be one of those 2 boxes. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next. Oh, we have a 3 there, so this is solved. All right. Almost make a mistake, a big mistake. Then these 2 boxes in this column for the numbers 8 and 2, 8 and 2, 8 and 2. No, I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 2, I cannot fill this yet. Then can I fill the 5? No, 5, 8. I need an 8, otherwise cannot continue. And a 7. Yes, 1 box is missing in this column. That must be the 7. Yes, 7 is missing. Then 2 boxes are missing in this row for the numbers 8 and 2. 8 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 8. 1 missing number in this column for the number 8. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 2. 1 missing number in this row for the number 2. No, we have a 2 there. Those were the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 there. No 8 here. 8 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 2 missing numbers, the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right, people, thumbs up if you like. Otherwise, dislike. Thumbs down. Thank you for watching. And in a minute, we will continue with a Sudoku with 4 stars. Yes. Thank you for now, and see you in a minute. Bye-bye.